welcome once again. No, not welcome once again. Yeah, Friday morning early, and I'm at my church. I attend the Open Bible Community Church. Yeah. Let me show you what I go now. In my marinating bag, I have some chicken breast. All right. Let me explain what I do with the chicken breast then. So I put jerk seasoning, Jamaican jerk seasoning, the powdered one, and I put some Badia rotisserie seasoning. Yes, it's rotisserie seasoning. And I put some Larry's seasoned salt, not seasoning salt, not the MSG, seasoned salt. And I put it on some chicken breast. And the chicken breast, I cut the chicken breast, slide it like a butterfly, but me just cut them in another way there, and then pound it a little bit so it come out a little bit flattish, you notice, yeah? And I leave that overnight to marinate. Yeah, so it be marinate there, so. And then this morning early, I'm down here at my church, and this is what is the end result. Yeah, grilled chicken breast. You see? Look how it look. And this is gonna be fancied up a little bit later on. I'm gonna use probably some cranberry sauce or something like that for nice it up and make it look, you know, real good and thing. But this is what we're doing right now, and this is why I'm doing it, because many people don't know that I'm a youth minister here at my church, youth pastor. And so tonight we're doing a banquet for the kids, and I'm in charge of the food. So this is going to be a part of it, right? But as you can see, you want the fire to be nice and the chicken breast to grill nicely. You don't want to burn it. You don't want it to stay too long, you know, and thing. If you notice, what I do is I put fire. Let me show you that side. I put fire on one side of the grill, and then the other side under the pan, the chafing pan is no fire is there. So what I do is once the chicken comes this on this side, I just put it over here to soak, you know, or permeate. Yes, that's my word, permeate. I know most people will say permeate, but yeah, that's my new word, permeate, and it simply means soak. Yeah. All right, look there, look how that nice, man. Trust me. I wonder if I can eat it all before the banquet, you know. But what I'm doing now, folks, is just grilling these chicken, and then later on I'm going to do a you know, this is my weekend blog, or vlog. So, yeah, I can talk too now about it, you know. Watch it. That look good, looks so good. Yeah, so this is Yardie belly in a way, in a foreign. Yeah, man. Into foreign. Now, this one turn back over on that side and get some brown. Yeah. And thing. See there? Yeah, so once I'm done grill this now, I'm going to do something else. But may I tell you, say the thing look nice. Anyway, see the church here? Me and Jesus one down here. Yeah. So if you're in North Miami, you can pass by on a third Sunday. Third Sunday is Youth Sunday, and that's when I usually, you know, do special programs and stuff. So look out for you, you know. Come tell me so I watch it on the blog. I'm gonna watch it on the vlog, and that's why I'm gonna come. Yeah, and thing. I'm getting a prize. I give you a prize. Anyway, back to the chicken. Sweet, juicy morsels of chicken, marinated in island sauce with flavors. So powerful and immense, make your mouth water. And then it will be served with a cranberry dressing glazed sauce of the Eloquence International supervisor.